When I first learned of this years and years ago, I thought it was the most beautiful thing I ever heard. And then it started to take on a new life for me. And what Kintsugi is it's an ancient Japanese art of repairing broken pottery. Some of these things could be, thousands of years old. But the way they do it is they repair it with gold. So remember when you were a kid and you broke your mother's favorite coffee dish because you were roughhousing in the living room? Probably happened to me 30, 40 times. And you'd go out or you'd find glue or you'd do something to try to put this thing back together again. Now, you'd always get caught because no matter how good you are, a little chip is missing, or you could see the fine line of the crack. But what's so interesting in Japan of what they do is they actually use gold, so that when that minor hairline crack or multiple cracks have been repaired, you actually see the gold veining. Think about a beautiful piece of marble.